happens if I lose my vision in this eye? Can this eye be saved?
The reason you're having trouble seeing is because there are cells in the back of your eye in a place called the macula that are not working correctly. And the reason they're not working correctly is that their biochemistry is not working correctly. And fortunately, there are ways we can make the biochemistry in these cells work again like they're supposed to. And once they do, these cells become healthier, and then you'll start to see better. And it's really important to do that because not only can we make these cells healthy, but we can do something to avoid or reduce the risk of your eyes going wet, where we have to put injections into the eye. Mm-hmm. So there's two major values to this. That's one of the major reasons that we actually do this. If somebody has only one remaining good eye, they need to do everything possible to protect the remaining good eye. Mm-hmm. But the big idea, though, is that it's possible to make these cells healthy by fixing their biochemistry. And we do that by turning on the genetics inside the cell. Because as we get older, our genes start to shut down. They don't work properly. And all of our biochemistry actually comes from our genetics. So if your genes are turned off, a field called epigenetics, if your genes are turned off, then your biochemistry will sort of shut down. And then the cells become sick. And it's not just the cells in the back of the eye, but it's everywhere. So that's why you see people develop joint pains and other diseases as they get older, elevated cholesterol and the like. It's because they have a global problem with their biochemistry. But the beauty is it's all based in biochemistry. And now we know we can fix biochemistry because of the new knowledge in genetics. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's a lot to absorb, but it's real. There's thousands and thousands of articles on this. It's everywhere in the literature. And we've seen amazing results of people seeing better. And we've even had a patient with wet macular degeneration turn dry. And it took us like 4 years to figure out why that happened. And when we figured it out, we were just completely blown away because we were turning off the gene that makes something called VEGF. But that's a complicated subject. But I want you to, actually, what you should do is come to our webinar and learn all about this because it would take an hour for me to explain all of it to you in great detail. But there's real science here available now for macular degeneration patients. And it's something that's just got to get out.